Islander Philippines was founded by the late K.P. Yao, a Filipino-Chinese businessman, in 1985. The footwear brand was initially produced and marketed by Rubberworld Philippines Incorporation in Novaliches, Quezon City. Comfort and durability is what Islander slippers has been offered for over 60 years. Established in the 1960s in the tropic islands of the Philippines. Alam niyo ba na kapag mayroon kang sandal na to na Islander, ay matatawag ka ng rich kid sa taong 1960s, 70s, or 80s. At hanggang ngayon ay iconic pa rin ang Islander na to dahil mabibili na ito ng mas murang halaga. At ito ang pinakamatibay na sandal na nagamit ko noong. Maraming memories ang nagamit ng sandal na to, ng tsinelas na to. Patulad na lang ng mga bata na kapag naglalaro sila, ginagamit na nito bilang isang pangtumbang preso o kaya naman kahit saan ka magpunta dahil sa durability nito.